Hi, everybody. Welcome to my channel. My name is Razzle Dude, and I'll be your co-host today on this game called Son of the Forest, which has been out for what, 3 or 4 years. But I'm gonna try playing this series by myself. I'm probably gonna be playing this with some friends, maybe in the future. The reason why I'm playing this by myself is because I'm the only one that owns it right now, so bear with me on that. I'm gonna try see if I could get my friends to play this in the future as well. Um, I know that you guys are like, oh, but we already seen this game, but you've never seen me before. I'm the new guy. I am the guy that is poop. Just poop. That's all I am. Needless to say, this is the first and ever game that I'm ever going to be posting up on
You don't want to be
YouTube.
like this. This is
Oh wait, what
disgusting.
happened?
This is
I
awful
just
in every way.
accidentally skipped
If
all
I
that.
could kill it,
Who was
I
this?
would. But I legally can't.
Crap, my bad, my bad. Bad introduction. Bad introduction. My fault. But needless to say, welcome back. Oh no. Oh no! Oh, there goes the guy. Wait, where am I? Sorry, oh shit. He just screamed it. Oh, that's just great. Well, I guess that's it for the series. Well then, we'll do it next time in the next Dungeon Force. Oh, hey dude. Just swim the other way. Oh. Uh. Oh, okay. I guess I'm. Did not expect that. Break it. I heard that they're making Sons of the Forest. Well, not Sons of the Forest. The Forest. A new one. Third one, if I remember correctly. I'm gonna see if I could try getting that. Also, I'm gonna try to see if I could play another game that's coming out this week, Subnautica 2. I played Subnautica, had fun with it, crapped my pants a lot, but I'm gonna enjoy it. Needless to say, oh, hello. Who are you? I don't know a lot about this game.
Now, who
I only seen like
invited you here?
maybe a few like snippets on certain YouTubers like Mark. I've never really saw the beginning, so I don't really know what. Okay, well, that was a lovely introduction. Oh, okay, I guess that's the start. Oh, the helicopter is doomed, and I am alone. Also, I was in the main menu earlier. I feel I could eat that. And I was looking at the controls, and I saw like inventory was on I said, oh, hell no, I'm not used to that. So I changed it to cab, the original, you know. Ooh, grenade, okay, first time ever. An arrow. What am I gonna use an arrow for? Am I gonna stab someone in the butt or something? I'm gonna like, Hebirski them. What's the matter, man? Are you having a seizure or something? Do you need some medical help? Here. Give me off the road, goof blood. What's days? Is that blood? Oh. Ooh, that is some nasty damage. What the hell did they do to him? Kelvin. Is that right, Kelvin? Look at the pen. Look at the pen. You see the pen? You see that? Alright. Oh, I have a notebook. Oh, that's convenient. Maintain base, stay, take break. Okay, well, right now you're going to follow me. We're going to try to see if we could find base of operations. Right here. Now, for starters, I do know certain wits about survival games a little bit. I've played games on survival. And I'm going to tell you, a beach base sounds good, but really it's not. That's cool. Oh, okay. figured that out. I got a knife. Okay. Oh. Hit some on the keybind, right? Yeah, I did. My brain is just not doing good. I'm sorry, everyone. I know, like, wow, this guy is not doing so good. Congratulations, you are going to be a forgotten YouTuber. I probably am, but that's fine. I'm going to keep playing and probably, like, post up more games. I want to try to see if I can post... Oh, right. Rugs. Oh, that's going to be it. Okay, this place is not a good spot to be. Like I said, I played a bunch of survival games before. What did I play to do that? I forgot the games that I played. I forgot names. I think I played the original Forest. I think I played the original Forest. Yeah. I played the original Forest. Ew! That's only I didn't know I could kill it. Look cave. Is it a cave? It looks like a cave. I mean, it shows the icon right there, right? Oh. Oh. Now that's really? Really? Bats? Out of all the things that got me scared. Oh, that's lovely. I'm not gonna go in there yet, but I'm gonna put that. Did I just grab that? Oops. I just click on things without even knowing. Wow, look at that, a skull. Shows fear, I guess. Fear. Oh, I just left click to check that out. Ah, I did not know I could actually do that. That's funny. This guy has a very good mental fortitude. Do not be afraid of this stuff. I say we explore more of the coastlines. Yeah, none of these places are good for... Actually, that spot right there might be good. I wonder what I'm smoking. Let's go to the smoke. See what's up. Okay, collecting some rock. What else can I collect besides just rocks? I collect like sticks or something. Kelvin. Wait, where's Kelvin? What's that? Is that Kelvin? Oh, that's convenient. I didn't know. I didn't know that. Just saw the K and I just noticed those things. Closer. Rocks. Rocks for rocks. Yeah. Also, FYI, I'm in my room. It's freaking hot in here, dude. I'm gonna try my best not to be cussing as much. So that's like hot in the room right now. So that's what I get for living in Texas, right? But greatest state that I live in. No jokes aside. Needless to say, I don't know a lot about this game besides that there are some freaky looking monsters. I mean, I did saw the damn starter screen with a bunch of hands all coming out from hell. Like, oh, that's lovely. Are you guys coming out from the pits of hell or something? Needless to say, that scientist looked friendly. I wonder if he will give me cookies. You know, the one that we saw earlier in the game, in the show. I wonder if he will give me some cookies. I bet some Girl Scout cookies would be nice. Right? I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm just lost as hell. I bet I could do something with those. I wonder what I can do. I mean, this is actually the, what, first time I played this? And like, even like I said right now, earlier, like I played this for like about, literally like right now. Just being dumb right now. Blackberries. Are those poisonous? What is that? Oh. That's convenient. You guys can make fun of... Oh. Kevin, be careful. I almost hit you. Also, my PC's really crappy, so... Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay, that was disturbing. I wonder if he, takes commissions. My babies. Rock. Ooh, bigger rock. Wait, what? Oh! Well, that's convenient. I saw smoke here earlier. Where was it? So, let's go see... Wait, is that? What the hell is that? What's that? You see that blue thing? What is that? Jesus Christ. Hello? Oh, you're gonna... What are you putting, Kelvin? What the hell is that thing? I hear him screaming. What the hell is that? The monkey man! Monkey. Oh. Oh. What are you, Tarzan? Get your ass down there. Hello, do you know where I could find oh, you are naked. I'm gonna have to blur you out. Hi, can you tell me where I could find the nearest... Are you scared of me? Easy, buddy. Let's be friends. I'm gonna have to blur her out. Okay. Did not expect you to be that naked. Whoa! Hi. Can we be friends? I can... Oh, God! You little shit. Okay, you don't want to be friends. Mother. Oh, well, okay, I'm dead. Okay, well, that's the end of my run. Bye-bye, everybody. Well, that was instant. Where am I? Oh, what the? Okay, I guess I'm not dead. No, get away. Run, Calvin! Damn it. Oh, wait, but I got him. We both died at the same time. But I think this time I'm dead. Right? Ain't no way I'm coming back from that. Did I just... Were they chopping me up? Oh, so that's what I look like. Well, now I know what I look like. I don't look that ugly, at least. Alright then, let's try this again. Calvin, we meet again. Okay, so you only get one chance. I'm gonna assume... maybe a day it will reset? I don't know. I don't know that much, you guys, so... Unless you guys know, let me know in the comments down below in the video. I'm gonna see... Here. Yeah, you guys are like, wow, he died instantly. Wow, you suck. Yeah, I know. Well... Ooh, wait a minute. This is a good spot, actually. Oh, wait, I didn't put them on my hotkey. Stop that. 2, 1, 3. Yeah, you guys could be all mad at me with my placement. I know. Where is this? Wait, I don't even know where this is at. Huh. That's a peculiar spot. What am I going to do with printer resin? Also, I'm going to have to see if I could get... And that was... Oh, well. Need earlier. Okay, I got meds. I'm going to put that on 0. I'm going to put it on 0? I have no clue, everybody. Bear with me here. This one... I want to place him on 9. You know what? The reason why I'm doing it is because I don't want to mess up. Is there like a heart... Is there like a zipline gun that I'm not aware of or something? I'm gonna have to look up stuff. Well, no. You know what? No, I'm not gonna do that. Because if I look up stuff, it's gonna be much more like, it's no fun. Because if I do look up stuff, it's gonna be really boring. Face fire. Oh. Sorry, I have a little bit of nasties in my throat. Oh, that's convenient. This is advanced cooking. Energy mixing. Oh, oh, oh. Aloe vera. Huh. Okay, well that's convenient. Now I know. I thought that was Calvin 20 or something, but it was just a freaking trailer from the. What's this? Mushroom? I'm gonna try eating it. Yeah, I had a lot of interesting stuff too. I had like a solar panel and everything. Oh well. Let's restart everything. Go down this river. No. Okay, but newsflash. Fire, smoke, bad. Do not go there unless you have good stuff on you. What's this? What's this? One med. Nice. Oh, and an energy bar. That will come in handy. That way I can stay up at night. Devil's Club. What is it? Like some sort of weed? It's called a Devil's Club. I smell marijuana. Oh, shiitake mushroom. I was like, what? My brain was like, what did that just say? I thought it was another word. Like you guys know what I'm talking about. Oh, I think I might have just found a spot already. It didn't even take that long. It was like what, a minute? I like to look at this place. This stuff, and you guys got your stuff in your hand. Nice. I think I just found myself a new base of operations. Like the senior. Oh. Alright. Oh. Sorry for the weird cutout, you guys. Oh! I accidentally destroyed that. That was me messing up my PC in a way. But yeah, this is my new base of operations, you guys. As of today, I have money. Ooh, cooking pot. Ooh, can opener. This whole area. Okay. From this pond, I'm probably gonna circle it in the video. And this pretty much this whole area is gonna be my spot. From that waterfall to down this waterfall. Oh. It's gonna be my whole spot. Oh, called it. I knew it. What can I use it for? I don't know why, but I had like a gut feeling that they weren't good. When the moment I read it, I was like, I don't know why, but my gut's telling me not to eat these. Like, like I said, you get the gut feels. You trust that gut. What the saying goes? Always trust your gut, right? Like that. Oh, stars. But that was ass. I can't believe I died. But wait, what's this? Bolts. Removed. Oh, that's convenient. I'm hungry and I am cold. Like, how you like food? Maurice. Good for you. Sticky bombs? I can make a sticky bomb? Oh. Whoa. Oh, she has 3 arms! Hey there, wait! You got 3 arms! That's his leg. Huh. Oh, that was interesting. But what exploded just really over like that? There must have been a bomb here that I didn't know about. Hold up. I have the mic away from me. One moment. There we go. I don't know how this video quality sounds going to be, but this is going to be a good spot. So I'm going to play. Oh. It's just like that I have made a tent. I have made a lean-to. Oh, wait, what? Oh, oh no, that was a mistake. That was a mistake. Right now, that. Oh. That was a mistake. What time is it? It's 2 in the morning. God damn it. I slept way too early. You shouldn't eat that, Kelvin. That's a... What am I gonna do with printer resin? Why does it say $7 when there are clearly $100 bills? $7 for $100 bill? Yeah, right. And that, people, is why it is cheap labor. Molotov. Oh, I could make hide armor? Leaf armor. I'm not gonna risk making it right now. But for starters, this is gonna be my house. I can't. It's like any other surviving game. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can start a fire. Can't do that. Water. I don't know if that's a good idea to place my tarp on there. Make mushrooms big. Oh! Clean water. Let's see. Let me see. That is a creepy looking moon. Right. Gotta hear something. I don't know how. I don't know how the water is. Right now. Three. Oh, that does give me a lot of. What is this? Yeah. I would like to. I'm sorry. I didn't know I could wear other clothes. But this is going to be my main base of operations from now on. Of course, I'm gonna try see if I could do other what's the word bases, but they're gonna be small bases. They're not gonna be like huge bases like this one. This is gonna be huge. Because I'm gonna try see if I could upgrade it. So this is gonna be the main foundation right here. And then down there is also gonna be a foundation. I don't know. Yeah. Wait, that girl again. Here. There, go back. I'm gonna put Calvin back to the house, but I think I'm gonna actually build up my home. That'd be the best solution right now. Build up my home and see what I can do from here. Ah. Oh, damn it! He's alive. Oh, 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 God. Oh, Sarge. Oh. Did I take this? What the- Oh, I just saw her. Oh, she has 3 legs. Hang on. Wait. Hey, I'm friendly. I mean no harm. Look. That is trippy. She has 3 legs and 3 arms. Why? And how? Wait. Wait. She looked like that girl from... I only got to see her for like a split second when I restarted the game. But she looked like that girl from earlier. Oh, you can't trap it up. Okay. Now, can I make arrow? Oh, I already have arrow. Wait. What? I'm gonna take the risk. Oh, hello. Wait. The girl's all shy and stuff. I don't blame her. Wonder if I could give. I wonder if I could make her like a friend or something. I probably can. Yeah. I see. Like, that's the worst part. I killed a badger earlier, only for me to lose. Oh my god! I just realized I didn't make it here. It just occurred to me I haven't made a series. Can I like What else? Can I do like upgrades? Oh, it's a doe. I can't hurt a doe. I thought it was what the fuck? Oh no. Stay away from Calvin. That was horrible. Get away. Get away. Shoot. Shoot. You're next. I'm crazy. Yeah. It was just to make sure. Hold up, I'm thinking. Can I do that? That'd be disturbing in my opinion. That's not good. That is concerning. Wait, why do I have low health? I can make arrows. Ah, I was right. I was just saying that for fun earlier. Well, that was concerning. That is not good. If they're here... That's concerning though. If those guys are here, I'm gonna have to start lighting up a fire and burn their corpse or something. Actually, I think I might have to do that now. Can I do that? I don't think so. I don't know. This is me doing a little test, but I remember, um, I feel like Netflix. No, not- I keep mixing up those two games. The Forest, I've seen some gameplay where you can burn your body. I'm probably gonna have to start exploring, but where's Kevin? Kevin, I'm gonna need you to maintain base. You think you can do that? I'm gonna leave you alone. I'm gonna go check out the cave. I'll be back. Oh! Oh, it's a shock baton. That ought to come in handy. Like what? Like 5 o'clock?